Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to make a headshot on Free Fire. First thing first, turn on aim assist. Just open settings, go to the controls tab, then find aim position and select default. This setting gives you aim assist while hip firing and aiming down sights. Secondly, position your crosshair correctly. Keep your crosshair at enemy head level or slightly higher. When you fire, aim assist will help you pull your shot onto the head. Control recoil for auto weapons. When firing automatic gun slowly, drag your aim upwards. This helps bullets climb toward the head after hitting the body. Fourthly, adjust sensitivity and HUD to your device. Don't just copy pro players' settings, they might use different devices and screen sizes. Enter the training room and test different sensitivities until aiming feels natural and fast. Keep sensitivity high enough for quick movements but not so high that you lose control. And finally, practice, and practice. Spend time in training room to master your reflexes. Practice aiming at head level only so it becomes second nature in matches. A pro tip, Free Fire isn't pay to win. Your aim is your greatest weapon. Once you've turned your settings and practiced, headshots will feel automatic. And that's it guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.